Good morning, boys and girls. Today we're going to be looking at Unit 6, Lesson 9, with a focus on problem solving. Our learning target says I can solve real-world problems using a variety of methods. So we're going to take all that we've learned over the past few days and put it together to solve some problems that we may see in the real world. But let's warm up first. What's 4 plus 4? 8. Good. What's the unknown partner? 4. Good job. What's 9 plus 7? 16. Good. Remember, when I'm adding 9, I can always think of 10 plus that number and take 1 away. So 10 plus 7 would be 17. Take 1 away, it would be 16. Anytime we can make a 10, it makes things quicker. What's my missing or unknown partner? 7. Good job. 8 plus 7. 15. Good. I'm thinking of the double, 7 plus 7, and adding 1 more. So 7 plus 7 is 14, and 1 more is 15. What's my missing partner? 7. Good job. All right, let's look at this 2-digit number and talk about what it means. What is the number? 76. How many tens? Just 7. And how many ones? 6. So what is 10 more? Remember, to find 10 more when I don't have a hundreds chart, I can look at the number 76. I'm going to focus on the tens place. The 7 is in the tens place. I'm going to give it 1 more. So 7, 8, and use the same 1. So 1's place is not going to change when I count by tens. So 76 and 10 more is 86. How about 43? How many tens? 4. How many ones? 3. Remember, the tens place comes first, then the ones. What is 10 more? I'm going to focus on the tens place, the 4. I'm going to give it 1 more. 5. Use my same ones. 10 more than 43 is 53. Can you talk me through this one? What would you do first? How many tens? How many ones? If I want to find 10 more, where do I focus? Just the tens place. So I have a 1 in the tens place. Give it 1 more. I would have a 2 in the tens place. And ones. What's my new number? 24. So 10 more than 14 is 24. Can you do this one? What's the number? 29. How many tens? 2. And how many ones? 9. Good work. What is 10 more? Focused on the tens place. I have a 2 in the tens place. Give it 1 more. Would have a 3. 39. Excellent work. Here I have 2 numbers that I want to subtract. They're multiples of 10, or decade numbers as we've called them. What are the 2 numbers? 50 and 80. Which one is larger? 80. So if I want to subtract, I have to put 80 first. I would have 80 minus 50. That's an awfully big number to subtract. What can I do? I look for the little fact. 8 minus 5. What is 8 minus 5? 3. Put on the 0, and I have 30. What about these? What are these 2 numbers? 70 and 20. Good. If I want to subtract, 70 goes first. So I would have 70 minus 20. I would look for the little fact. 7 minus 2. 7 minus 2 is 5. Put on my 0, and my answer is 50. Let's make a 10 to subtract these. What's the equation we're starting with? 16 minus 9. Now remember, I can use addition to help me solve a subtraction problem, and I can use making a 10. So I'm going to start at 9, and I'm going to add something to get to 16. So I'm doing the opposite of our first equation to find my answer. Start at 9. How many does 9 need to get to 10? Just 1. And how many does 10 need to get to 16? 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This would be my missing number. It would be my answer to my subtraction problem. So 6 and one more is 7. 16 minus 9 equals 7. Think of all those strategies we just put together. What about this equation? Let's start by looking at the equation. We have 15 minus 9. I'm going to flop it and think of addition to find my answer. I'm going to start at 9, and I want to get to 15. 9 and one more is 10. How many does 10 need to get to 15? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So my missing number would be 5, 6. 15 minus 9 must be 6. One more. You'll be good and warmed up for your lesson today. 18 minus 9. I'm going to flop it. Think of addition. 9 plus something is going to get me to 18. How many does 9 need to get to 10? Just 1. How many does 10 need to get to 18? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Put these together. 8 and one more is 9. So my answer would be 9. You may have also seen the double in that subtraction problem. Great warm up. See you in a bit for your lesson.